Next to fuel, tire-related costs are the second most cost-consuming cost for any fleet manager's business. Unchecked tire costs can quickly affect your productivity and profits. Besides, the NHTSA, which stands for the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, estimates at least a 30,000 fatality because of tire-related issues. So, how do we overcome all these challenges? I mean, clearly, the telematics industry is here to help. Hey everybody, I am Prachi Panditya and I host Euphysio's podcast series. And today, I have with me Ms. Aarti Madhumal. Ms. Aarti Madhumal is here to talk about how you can optimize your fleet management business by implementing tire pressure monitoring systems. So let's hear from her. Thank you so much for coming here, and we look forward to having an intuitive session today.
Thank you so much, Prachi. I'm glad to be here.
So, I tend to go off the tangent a lot, so I want to avoid doing that. And let's get into what TPMS actually is. Like, I know a lot of people kind of know about it, but they may not exactly know what it is. So let's explain to our listeners what it is.
Sure. In the simplest form, tire pressure monitoring system. As the name suggests, it provides our users with real-time tire pressures.
Right.
So it is especially useful, when, say, one of your fleet's tires are dangerously under or overinflated. Right, because underinflated tires can both of them can cause really dangerous driving conditions.
Absolutely.
Because overinflated tires can lead to a tire burst,
right.
Whereas underinflated tires can actually make your vehicle more likely or prone to skidding. Right, so by monitoring your tire pressure, it not only ensures and enhances driver and fleet safety, but it also can save you from expensive repairs.
Right.
It is also found out that driving at optimum temperatures and pressures can actually increase your fuel economy.
Okay.
So with properly maintained tires, you can actually end up having a high vehicle mileage.
Right.
Right.
Again, two things here. The first one, I was thinking about, there's so many countries where it snows a lot.
Yes.
Even if it's not snowing, okay, on a really bad, rainy day, you get caught in a rainstorm and the roads are really slippery. They have low friction, and speaking from personal experience, I've been caught up in a really deadly rainstorm, and I was really scared because I lost control over my car, which is probably because of the tire skidding.
Yes.
And that makes me think that a properly maintained tire would reduce the likeliness of that happening, and I wouldn't want anyone to be in that situation.
Yes,
so
perfect.
that was one thing. And the other thing was going back to your business idea of keep your tires well maintained, and you're not only lowering your tire cost, but coincidentally you're also reducing your fuel cost, which is again every business is looking to cut down their cost, and this is a great way to do it.
Absolutely.
So I know there are a lot more benefits, so can we throw some light on it?
Absolutely. Using TPMS, users can get insights to tire health, its usage, the status, inventory, all of that. Apart from that, you can also know the usage of your tires, like which of your tires have been utilized the maximum, which need to be changed, which do not need to be changed as of now. Users can also get notified about their tires being underinflated or overinflated.
Right.
So basically what I'm trying to say here is our tire management module coupled with our reminder module can actually help our customers to increase their tire sustainability.
Right.
So you can prolong the life of your tires and also reduce your costs.
Right.
Maybe I can simplify it with an example.
Sure. Would love
Say one of your fleet's tires, they need to go under service or maintenance. So the system will notify you about the upcoming maintenance.
Okay.
So well in advance, you can plan a schedule. Like these fleets are going to go on to maintenance as of now, so you can assign other vehicles to that.
Right.
So the tires maintenance will also be done and your productivity won't be hampered either.
Right. I love how everything is boiling down to saving the single
Exactly.
cent, and which is truly the way to go. If you want to stand out from the rest, if you want to have your business really profit, the way to do so is really cut down even the minute cost that affect. and I think TPMS can really help
Absolutely.
with that. So I know monitoring tire pressures, monitoring tire temperatures, reminders is something every telematics industry software would do.
Yeah.
But like I know we at Ufizio, we always go the extra mile. We give our users whatever the best we could possibly can. So what really makes our system unique?
First of all, customization, like we always say, is our
Hmm.
USP. So Ufizio not only provides a TPMS system, but it has a holistic tire management module.
Okay.
Okay, so we track tires right from its inventory to its scrapping.
Okay.
We also have various reports, like on tire event, tire status, etc. We also allow our users to add axles, tires, tire positioning,
Okay.
rotation, maintenance,
Great.
expense, all of it.
Okay.
So basically what I'm trying to say is Ufizio is a one-stop solution.
Great.
We have every tool possible to take tire management to an entirely new level.
Wait, as you were talking, how tires need to be rotated, they need to
Right.
be retreaded, their axle positioning. I know certain tires they need to be serviced per miles.
Right.
Certain of them need to be serviced, after a certain amount of time.
Time period. Absolutely.
And just listing all those things, like for a single fleet, that feels intimidating.
Absolutely.
And imagine a fleet manager having 100, 200, 500 fleets. I mean, doing this manually it's not
nearly impossible.
Absolutely, like it feels so overwhelming just
Absolutely.
thinking about it. So I'm so glad we have a tool at our dispense which fleet managers can use to increase profitability, save time, and absolutely take care of their fleets. And more than speaking about, it's not just business, it's about your loved ones, it's about your drivers. When you're behind that wheel, you want to make sure that the car you're driving is absolutely safe.
Yes.
And with TPMS you can make that
Possible.
So thank you so much. I think this was really great. I think I have a better understanding about what TPMS is, and I'm sure my listeners feel the same way. So thank you for
Thank you,
this.
Prachit.
And
Thanks a
I
lot.
want to thank my listeners. Thank you for being so patient, and we'll be back again next week with another episode. So keep watching, and if you have any more inquiries, or if you want to learn more about TPMS, just go to ufizio.com, and I'm sure you'll find a lot more information there. So thank you.